That was the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Bulldog. He's got a bulldog body with a staffy head. It is literally like a Frankenstein dog right here. Giant head on a tiny squat body. And Scooby is hilarious. He came to the Baldwin Park Animal Care Center as an owner surrender on June 3rd for no reason that we know of. And he's just been the life of the party for us volunteers. Every one of us has fallen in love with him as he's walked, or rather waddled by. He's a hilarious dog. He's totally a silly goofball. Always has a smile on his face. He's really intelligent too. He knows sit already, so we imagine that if he learns any other tricks or obedience skills, he's just going to be bomb diggity with it, because he's eager to please, as you can say. He loves giving kisses. He loves pleasing his owners and his handlers. Scooby walks pretty well on leash. He could probably do with a little bit of extra training, but I mean, with that squat body, what else is he going to be able to do about it? He's super affectionate and loving. From what we've seen with his interaction with other dogs, he gets along well with smaller dogs, but when it comes to bigger dogs, ones that are closer to his size, he gets a little too excited. So we think that if he meets other dogs, he needs to have an experienced handler, or go into an adoptive home with an adopter who's experienced with these kind of dogs, because he gets overexcited, and we don't want there to be any kerfuffles between him and another dog his size. It may just be that he's used to being the only big dog in the house, or he's used to little dogs. He's also not neutered yet, so that could also play a part in it too. And of course, he'll get neutered before he leaves the shelter. So Scooby is looking for a new home to call his own, and he's at the Baldwin Park shelter now. And I mean, gosh, he's going to give you years and years of laughter, because how could you not look at this funny guy and laugh? He's just loving and amazing, and we all love him. Total volunteer favorite. And he loves to play. So come on down.